Hi there, your computer friend Connie here with another segment on working remotely and the 10 tips. Today's tip is about going paperless with your accounting papers. And so what I'm showing you here is a product called Hubdoc. As you can see, this website is just really hubdoc.com, and I'm just going through their website and showing you how it really works. So you're looking at any bill or statement that you receive. You can actually take that bill or statement, snap it with a photo on your smartphone, and send it to Hubdoc for processing. You can forward it from your email. If you get bills in the mail, you can forward that email into Hubdoc, and you can even have that happen automatically if you set up rules. And then if there are certain websites you go to get your bills, like maybe you log into a utility account or a phone account, then you can actually have Hubdoc pull that information for you from those accounts. So what this means is all of your paperwork is kept for you digitally. There is no need for paper. And by the way, the government is okay with this as long as you're able to produce a printed copy, which you certainly can from Hubdoc. You can use that as your records. You don't need to have a piece of paper. So once you get that bill and you take that picture of it, or you forward it via email, or you scan it somehow and it goes into Hubdoc, that is your record. And the best thing about this is it actually integrates with your accounting system. So the one I've been featuring is QuickBooks Online, and I use QuickBooks Online on a daily basis. I have many clients that use it as well. This is what I teach, and I love to get them set up with Hubdoc as their connecting piece so that they can then just get their bills automatically put into QuickBooks. They don't have to type them in. So what happens, by the way, when you do this is, it takes a moment or two for Hubdoc to process, but ultimately what Hubdoc does is it reads the name on the bill at the top, so as long as it's legible and not handwritten. It reads the date, it reads the amount, and it also figures out the sales tax. So you can, if you have to adjust for these things, that's totally fine. You can adjust if there's something that's different in the sales tax that you need to change because it has the wrong number. You can certainly do that. So in the case of, let's say for restaurants and tips and stuff like that, you may have to adjust the tax area, but that's very easy to do. And then once that stuff's in Hubdoc, you really just press a button to send it right through to QuickBooks. A little bit of setup needed, but it's very, very quick compared to how long it would take you to type that all in manually. Plus, it's kept for you forever. You don't have to worry about the papers fading out over time. That digital record's not going to fade out over time. And if for some reason you decide to stop using Hubdoc, Hubdoc will let you continue to have a copy of all your records that you've currently got in place in their system. It just won't let you scan any new things. So your data is safe there as well. All right, so that's your tech tip for today for working remotely. If you have any questions about Hubdoc, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Connie, and I'm with Mission Computers. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.